right now I'm on my way to a couple of collision centers to get estimates to have my snooze, yeah. To have my Santa Cruz fixed. So, snooze, that's kind of catchy. Seriously though, guys, I had to take off of work today to get estimates, send pictures into the insurance company, the other guy's insurance company, and send them the estimates, because I explained in my previous video, if you guys watched that, where I announced that this accident had happened. Basically, they told me that they wanted me to send them pictures, and after I sent them pictures, that they would estimate the damage through the pictures and then give me a check to take care of the damage. But my thought is, really, the damage could end up being a lot more than the check that they send me, and it's my right legally to go and get a estimate from the body shop of my choosing and send them the estimate and say, this is the body shop, the collision center that I've chosen to go with. This is what I'm doing. Here's the estimate, here's the cost. Let's move forward. So I'm going that route. I want to get an estimate done instead of going the route of having them send me a check, one and done, on your way, just kind of brushing me off. I want this to be done thorough and in the right way. The collision center / body shop that I'm going to stop at first is Cody's Auto Body in Martinsburg, West Virginia, Berkeley County. And I've had a couple of estimates done in the past for other damage to other vehicles that I've had. And I do know from those experiences that the estimate that he provided was very thorough. So I'm gonna stop by and see what he is able to tell me about the damage on my car and see what kind of an estimate he is gonna come up with for this damage. So I'm a little bit excited because I was able to get the Santa Cruz fixed. All in this day, I was supposed to just be doing estimates, getting estimates done, taking care of the insurance stuff. I was able to get it fixed already. Look at that. Wow. Just like brand new again. Got the light casing there, the top piece. Got this all seamed together nicely. Got the reflector and the reverse light unit installed just like it should be. And it is not mine, just teasing. Woo! Got my mom's and mine side by side. I wish that was the case. Hey, if this wasn't my mom's, I could always just hijack this bumper, put it on mine, but no, we wouldn't do that. Insurance is gonna take care of it. I've got the figures, so let's go ahead and discuss that right now. So I'm back home, got the final word from the estimate, the shop that I'm gonna go with. Cody's Auto Body, that's Cody's with a T for trust, and that's his slogan. We're gonna see how this all pans out. So I talked to the body shop, went there to the body shop, collision center, had them do the estimate, came out to a total of $1,240 and change for everything, parts and labor. I don't care if it's $100 or if it's $5,000 because not a penny's coming out of my pocket, thankfully. So insurance is going to cover it all. I talked to my claims adjuster, sent in pictures of the damage. What's going to happen on the insurance company's side of things is they're going to review the pictures that I sent, and then from that point, they're going to send over the check to the body shop for what their estimator says that the damage is going to cost to fix. And then depending on if their estimate is not as much as the body shop, they're going to then send more funds after they review this estimate and communicate with the collision center, Cody's. So it's not, so far it hasn't really been a stressful process or, too much of an exhausting process. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. I got started on all this at 10 o'clock. So I've been at it for a few hours now, driving around a few different places. And just to sum it up, Cody's is who I'm going with. I did tell you guys I was going to give you a breakdown of the costs. So I am going to do that. I am filming with my phone, so I actually texted the estimate to my wife's phone and then pulled it up here so I could read it to you guys. So basically what we have is total for parts is $626.93. The bulk of that being in the bumper cover. So the bumper cover is going to be $532. Then we have the left, it says replace left tail lamp assembly. Now, I'm thinking it's not like the actual tail lamp, it's the part where the reverse light is and that reflector piece. That piece right there is $55.67. The screws that come with that are $1.95. And then the bulb for my plate, my license plate bulb on the left side, that's going to be $3.52. Then we also have the left side step pad, that upper piece on the left side. That's $33.32. And then the side cover clip is 47 cents. So all in all, that comes out to $626.93. For the labor portion of the estimate, Cody's has on here body labor 3.3 hours, paint labor 3.9 hours, and then paint supplies 3.9 hours. The two first categories at $55 an hour, and then the last one, the paint supplies, at $35 an hour. So there's a breakdown of that. All in all, 7% tax comes out to $1,240.59. Here's a breakdown so you guys can see. If you guys can see this, maybe pause the video and zoom in. That's the breakdown, as I said I would show you guys. And then up here we have the parts and then Cody's information and all that. So that's the formal estimate that I've been given. That's the estimate I'm going with. Hopefully this process continues to go as smooth as it has so far, considering the turn of events. If it does, then, I mean, it's not really been that much of a headache, aside from the fact that my car's been busted up and it's going to be busted up in the back on the bumper for a little bit. We've got, what is this, 7.8 hours plus 3, that's 11.1 hours we have total, just adding these hours up in these different categories. So now, it is a body shop, so I don't know if they're going to do all that in like 1 or 2 days or over the course of a few days, but I imagine I should have the car back within a few days. I will keep you guys posted on that. And also, next step would just be making a video of me taking it to the collision center, dropping it off, and then picking it up, showing you guys what it looks like, hopefully as good as new. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and also be sure to subscribe today if you haven't already. Smash the thumbs up button. And comment below your thoughts on this video, on the situation, and anything you'd like to share. Flood the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next one.